Hello, welcome to the second part in learning session 5, which is entitled multi-view drawings. Okay, so last time we discussed about the orthographic views, and for now, we will be discussing the auxiliary views. Okay, so let's go to our presentation. Okay, so creating auxiliary views. Most of the components are represented by using orthographic views. We have front, top, or side views. But many components have features located on inclined faces. Okay, so you cannot get the true shape and size for these features by using the orthographic views. To see an accurate size and shape of the inclined features, you must create an auxiliary view. Okay, so an auxiliary view is created by projecting the component onto a plane other than horizontal, front or side planes. The following figure shows a component with an inclined face. When you create orthographic views of the component, you will not be able to get the true shape of the whole of the inclined face. So like this one, so like this example, this is inclined, you will not get the circle if you will be using the third projection method or the orthographic views. Okay, so that's why we need to, for the auxiliary, when we are doing the views, you will be doing that one by inclined. So like this one. Okay, so to get the actual shape of the whole, you must create an auxiliary view of object as shown below. Okay, so this one. Okay, so you will, this is the auxiliary view. Okay, so inclined. Okay. Okay, so example, in this example, we will create an auxiliary view of the object shown below. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this is the object. If you can observe, we have the shape here. Then for this one, we have a circle, a 35 degrees circle. Okay, so this is the length. We need this one. Okay, so we have degrees. Okay, so now we need to open a new AutoCAD file. So let's go to our okay, so this is already saved, so we can create a new one. So let's just close this one. Okay, so let's choose a template. So choose this one. Then we have to create four new layers with the following properties. Okay, so let's create these layers. So let's go to home, then layers, and layers properties. So create new. So we have first is the construction, then the line weight is 0, then the line type is continuous. Okay, so next we have object, then the line weight is 0.05, 0.050, oh, sorry, 0.050, then continuous. Okay, then the third layer we have hidden, we have the line weight is 0.30, then the line type is so this is this one. Okay, to so CD, then the point 3. Okay. Then we have center line, which is point 30. Okay. Then the line type is centers this one. So it did not change. So let's check center. Okay. Okay. So I think this is all true. Construction, zero, then continuous object. We have point 50, then continuous hidden. We have point 3, then hidden, then center line. We have point 30, then center. Okay, so let's close this one. Okay, so we'll already create the four properties. Okay, so select the construction layer from the layer drop down. Okay, so let's construction layer. Okay, create a rectangle at the lower left corner of the graphics window shown in the figure. So let's check. Okay, so this is 70 and 62. So 70 and 62. Okay, so that one. Or two. Sorry. Or 70 and so rectangle. So sorry. So let's create the rectangle. So draw a rectangle. So we have 70. Sorry. Six. So let's check 7 and 60. Good. Then select the rectangle and verify select the rectangle and click the copy button, then modify panel. Okay, select the lower left corner of the rectangle as the base point, lower left, so this one. Okay, make sure that auto mode is activated. So this is activated. Move the pointer upward and type 25 in the command line. Okay. Then next, press enter. Okay, so that one. Skip to exit the copy tool. So 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 okay, so please skip exit the copy tool. So this one. Click the rotate button on the modify panel and select the copied rectangle. So this one and the copy. Okay, so please enter rotate. So rotate. Okay, select the lower right corner of the rectangle. This one and type 45. So enter. Okay, so that one. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so this is the same. Get another rectangle of 60 mm above the previous one. Okay, so let's create 60. Sorry. So let's just copy this one. Then 60. Okay, let's delete. Okay, so I think this is all good. Then next, the rectangle located at the top is considered as the top view, and below one is the front view. Okay, so this front view, top view. Click the explode button on the modify panel and select the newly created rectangle. Next, right click and explode. Okay, so this one, click the explode button on the panel, explode button, select the rectangle, angle. So this one, then next right click to explode the rectangle. Okay, so explode already. So as you can observe, the lines is detached from the square object. Okay, so use the offset tool and offset vertical lines of the rectangle. Line to select the offset tool and offset the vertical lines of the rectangle. So now we need to know the distance. Select the clear from the layer. Okay, so let's check. So this is top. Okay, so if this is top, so this one is 20, 20. So this is 20, 20, and 20. This one is 6. Okay, so let's see. Then we have to select the object layer from the layer drop down. The panel. Okay, so let's go. So, on this one. Then create an object lines on front and top. Use as shown below. So this one. So let's create this one. Okay, then so this one. So good. Select the custom layer from the layer panel. So layer of construction. Then click the construction line button on the draw construction line. Then select the offset option from the command line. Offset option, this one. Then select the inclined line on the front view. Next, select the intersection point shown below. So this one, one, this one. So this one. So let's create our construction lines. Draw construction line. So this one. So we cannot use the ortho. The default that we see there's a line showing that this is parallel. So let's check this one. So this is not aligned, sorry. So let's correct this one first. Zero construction here. And do this one. So let's check, see. Seven. So 9.67. 9.67. Okay. Next, this line is middle. So the midpoint from here. So we can just check the lines here. The dimensions. So 26.17. 7. So let's write it. Okay. So next line is let's put this one. So is this line. Draw section. Okay, so this one. So now this one. So that we can offset from here. So we have 50. So let's try. So because so no, so I 80, sorry. So 80. So good, so that is 80. So I'm talking about this line. So this is 80, then we have 70. Set. Okay. So 7. So now we have. Okay, so I think that's all. So this is the construction line. So for this one. Okay, so next, set the object layer as current. So now let's choose the layers. Then sorry, so layers, layers, then object. Okay, so now we create this one. So we've already created the front and top. So let's create this one. Okay, so So this is 35. So okay, so we'll be creating here. So check. So I think we're object, so we can create line here, here, here. Okay, then line, line, here, then this one. Okay, then we can create a circle here. So this is 35, diameter is 30. So 35. So okay, so so this circle, circle, circle. So midpoint 32. So let's check. So 13.5. This is okay. Okay, so that one. So I use 17.5 as a reduce. Okay. So that one. So this is now the auxiliary view, the object. Okay, so next. Okay, construction line as current, clear and create projection lines. Base for a circle and create another object lines, hidden lines of projection below. Okay, so this one. So this the hidden lines. So this here. Okay, so this is the center. This project, this one. Defy, then we have sorry, the construction line, then 1, 2, 3. So project this one. Oh, sorry. So we need to put the layer into construction line. Okay. So draw. Make sure that it is center. This this one. This project this one. Okay, so next is so this one. This one. Okay, sorry, so no. It's not good. So let's delete. But this one is okay. This is center. But the other is sorry. But the other lines is it must be so below here. So below, so the circle. So we need to project this one. So this one. Okay. Next is the circle. Okay. So that's the projection. Then from here, let's create line from here going Then draw construction line. This one to this one. Okay, okay. Then we will create a from here a semicircle. So this one or circle. I think this is circle. So let's find this center. Okay, and let's go to layers. Check. Then center. Then this is 17.5. Okay, so no, no, no. So the center is somewhere. Okay, so that's the center. Okay, or this is circle on this side. Now we'll create a hidden line from here. So this will be a center. So let's go to layer, then center line, and create a center line here. And so let's extend a little length. Okay, so that's the center. Then let's make hidden lines here. So layers, layers, then hidden. Okay, so line. So we have this line. Okay, then this one and this one. Okay, so let's turn off the construction so that we see our drawing. Okay, so this is now our drawing or the object of the auxiliary views. Okay, so this is the view for this object. Okay, okay, so for this one. Okay, so this is the auxiliary view. We can clearly see the hole, so the circle. Okay, so the purpose of auxiliary view is when we are drawing in an inclined drawings and we need to see this plane. Okay, this is the front. Okay, so that's the top and the side. Okay, okay, so next. Okay, so let's save this one first as the auxiliary view. Okay, save. Then after that one, let's check time. So we are now on 33 minutes. Okay, so we are now on creating name views. Okay, so let's go to our presentation. Okay, so let's continue. This is let's finish the learning session 5. Okay, so let's finish by this topic. Okay, so creating name views. While working with the drawing, you may need to perform numerous zoom and pan operations to view key portions of the drawing. Instead of doing this, you can save these portions with a name. Okay, then restore the name view and start working on them. Okay, so first we have to open the views file. So this is what we draw a while ago. Okay, so let's open that one. So let's go to our AutoCAD. Okay, okay, let's close this one. Okay, so let's open this views. Okay, so let's turn off the construction layer. Okay. Okay, so click the view tab on the ribbon. So view. Okay. Click the view tab. Click the right mouse button, the ribbon, and select show panels. One, show panels. So this one. Then views. Okay, so this displays the views panel on the ribbon. To create a new view, click view, views, view manager, views, view manager. Then, then a view manager dialog box appears. Okay, so this one. Then click the new button. So this one, new button, the view manager dialog. Okay, let's click this one. Okay, select the define window and window option from the boundary section. So define window. Okay, create a window on the front view as shown below. So this one, this window only. Okay, press enter to accept. Okay, enter front in the view name. So front view name. Then click OK. Click OK. Okay. Likewise, create the name views for the top and right views of the drawings. Okay, so let's create one time view. So this will be top, then okay. Okay, you have new window. So this is the side window, the side view. So this will be the side. Then okay. Then to set the top view to the current, select it from the views tree and select the set. Okay, so select the top face of top. Then set current, set click OK. Okay, so as you can see, the only the top view appears on the screen. Okay, so this is name views. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this one, guys. Okay, so I think that's all for learning session 5. Okay, so we are now on. So let's check. So time is okay. So we have 39 minutes. Okay. So I think okay. So I think that's all, guys, for learning session 5 about orthographic view, auxiliary views, and name views. I hope you learned something from our discussion. And our next part of learning session 5 is the exercises. Okay, so that you can practice more for this more regarding views. Okay, so I think that's all, guys, for the lectures, and our next part is the exercises. Okay, so thank you and see you in my next video.